it happened in the morning. She was getting ready to go to work.
6:01 in the morning.
And had it been 2 hours later, she would not have been with us.
The whole hospitals collapsed on each other. We had people climbing out of windows from the second floor that now was the first floor. So we know what disasters are.
You never know when the next storm will hit. When safety is on the line, every second counts. Are you prepared for the what-ifs? Rely on the best. Forever Safe Shelters is family-owned, commercial-grade, and trusted to protect what matters most. We push the limits. Our shelters have been impact-tested with up to 3 vehicles, engineered for tornado winds over 500 miles per hour and built to repel the most severe threats, far beyond standard requirements. Forever Safe Shelters are made for families, schools, and businesses, delivering unmatched protection and peace of mind during storms, emergencies, and even security threats. Shelters are not just for storms. Convert your shelter into a walk-in closet, a secure gun safe, or a fortified safety room. Our shelters are designed to fit your life. Unlike standard shelters, our hybrid steel and concrete construction, welded to an engineered slab, makes them immovable, even in the most violent storms. Choose from 5 versatile sizes to suit your space, each engineered for uncompromising safety. Forever Safe Shelters have a solution that will weather all of life's storms. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Choose lasting security with a Forever Safe Shelter.
Like, we have good friends who just put in a storm shelter, and it's the one you go outside if you have time. It's very claustrophobic. You know, this is attached to the house, so when we go in there, we were fine.
Yeah, we had as many as 10 or 12 people there.
Yeah, we were really thankful that we were where we were, because as a crow flies, that was only a mile away. So you really never really know when or what is going to happen.
Well, we use it every day.
Yeah.
That's the point here. Most people don't use their storm shelter only rarely. We use it every day. It's not wasted space. That's the bottom line. We're in a tornado area, and so it only makes sense to be protected.
Choose lasting security with the Forever Safe Shelter. Request a quote today at foreversafeshelters.com or give us a call at 903-675-8424.
Forever Safe Shelters, protecting your family, business, and future.